ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वति नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां भिषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादं शङ्करं लोकशङ्करम्। सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। ॐ पार्थाय प्रतिबोधितां भगवता नारायणेन स्वयं व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम् अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीम् अष्टादशाध्यायिनीम् अम्ब त्वामनुसन्दधामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणीम्। नमोऽस्तु ते व्यासविशालबुद्धे पुल्लारविन्दायतपत्रनेत्र येन त्वया भारततैलपूर्णः प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमयः प्रदीपः। प्रपन्नपारिजाताय स्तोत्रवेत्रैकपाणये ज्ञानमुद्राय कृष्णाय गीतामृतदुहे नमः। सर्वोपनिषदो गावः दुग्धा गोपालनन्दनः पार्थो वत्सः सुधीर्भोक्ता दुग्धं गीतामृतं महत्। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचानूरमर्दनम् देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्। भीष्मद्रोणतटा जयद्रथजला गान्धारनीलोत्पला शल्यग्राहवती कृपेण वहनी कर्णेन वेलाकुला अश्वत्थामविकर्णघोरमकरा दुर्योधनावर्तिनी सोत्तीर्णा खलु पाण्डवैरणनदी कैवर्तकः केशवः पाराशर्यवचः सरोजममलं गीतार्थगन्धोत्कटम् नानाख्यानककेसरं हरिकथा सम्बोधनाबोधितम् लोके सज्जनषट्पदैरहरहः पेपीयमानं मुदा भूयाद्भारतपङ्कजं कलिमलप्रध्वंसि नः श्रेयसे। मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयते गिरिम् यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम्। यं ब्रह्मा वरुणेन्द्ररुद्रमरुतः स्तुन्वन्ति दिव्यैस्तवैः वेदैः साङ्गपदक्रमोपनिषदैः जायन्ति यं सामगाः। ध्यानावस्थिततद्गतेन मनसा पश्यन्ति यं योगिनः यस्यान्तं न विदुःसुरासुरगणाः। देवाय तस्मै नमः। नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमम् देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरयेत्। ॐ श्री परमात्मने नमः।
ॐ श्री परमात्मने नमः।
अथ पंचमोऽध्यायः।
अथ पञ्चमोऽध्यायः।
श्रीभगवानुवाच
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 बाह्यस्पर्शेष्वसक्तात्मा विन्दत्यात्मनि यत्सुखम्
बाह्यस्पर्शेष्वसक्तात्मा
बाह्यस्पर्शेष्वसक्तात्मा
विन्दत्यात्मनि
विन्दत्यात्मनि
यत्सुखम्
यत्सुखम्
स ब्रह्मयोगयुक्तात्मा सुखमक्षयमश्नुते।
स
स ब्रह्मयोगयुक्तात्मा
ब्रह्मयोगयुक्तात्मा
सुखमक्षयमश्नुते।
सुखमक्षयमश्नुते।
इतश्च निवर्तयेत्
इतश्च निवर्तयेत्
ये
ये हि संस्पर्शजा भोगा दुःखयोनय एव ते।
ये हि
ये हि
प्रजा
संस्पर्शजा
भोगा
भोगा दुःखयोनय एव ते।
दुःखयोनयैवते।
आद्यन्तवन्तः कौन्तेय न तेषु रमते बुधः।
आद्यन्तवन्तः कौन्तेय न तेषु रमते बुधः।
अस्य अध्यायस्य 21तम श्लोकः भाग्यस्पर्शेषु सक्तात्मा तत्तु ततवर्गे दृष्टम्। अनन्तरम् इतश्च निवर्तयेत्। इतश्च निवर्तयेत् इति इतः इतश्च निवर्तयेत् विषयेभ्यः निवर्तयेत्। इतश्च पूर्वश्लोके भगवता उक्तं भाग्यस्पर्शेषु असक्तात्मा आत्मनि यत् सुखं वर्तते तत् विन्दते, आत्मसुखं विन्दते इति पूर्वश्लोके उक्तम्। यदि कस्यचित् वस्तुनः प्रति रागः वर्तते, रागः रागेन रागः सः रागः विक्षेपं जनयिष्यति। तेन वैराग्यजन्य सुखं न लभति। अस्माभिः दृष्टं त्रिविध सुखानि सन्ति। विषयानन्दः विषयसुखं, वैराग्यजन्यसुखं वैराग्यसुखम्, आत्मसुखम् अथवा आत्मानन्दः। वैर विषय विषयसुखात् वैराग्य सुखं गरीयः। यदि रागः अस्ति तर्हि वैराग्यजन्य सुखं न लभते। मनः अपि विक्षिप्त मनः भवति। अतः आत्मानन्दं कथं सम्भवति, न सम्भवति। अतः इतश्च निवर्तयेत्. Because of this reason also, another reason also, किं तत् संस्पर्शजा भोगाः दुःखयोनयः एव इति. The pleasure which is obtained with the contact of the sense objects are the source of dukkham. Every pleasure is wrapped in pain. So the pleasure, the sukham, cannot be obtained without the other side of the sukham, which is pain. But there is something called real happiness. That comes only from within. That is only from Atma. And before that, in between that withdrawal from the sense organs, that itself gives certain tranquility, certain quietude, certain peacefulness, ananda. That is Vairagya Janya Sukham. That Vairagya is required because if Vairagya is there, then the person will refrain from pursuing Kamya Karma. Kamya Karma, the very word says Kamya Karma suggests that the karma, the action born out of Kama, Kamya Karma. Therefore, Karma Yoga. Karma Yogaya api Vairagyam avashyakam. Karma Yoga not possible without Vairagyam. Atava manaha Kamya Karmani eva pravritam bhavati. Even for Karma Yoga, one needs not only Karma Yoga, even for Upasana. So it should be backed up by Vairagya. If Vairagya is not there, Upasana also not possible. Manaha Dikshiptam Bhavati. Katam Upasana api sambhavati. Na sambhavati. When it is so, even for Karma Yoga and Upasana, which are the parampara karanam for jnanam and therefore moksha, then what to talk about Shravana, Manana, Nididhyasana? So therefore, for that, Atyantam Avashyakam Vairagyam. So therefore, for Shravana and Manana, Shravanaya, Mananaya api Vairagyam Avashyakam, Nididhyasanaya api. Therefore, here, Bhagavan says that every Vishayananda संस्पर्शजाः भोगाः दुःखयोनयः एवते. So yes, भोगाः वर्तन्ते संस्पर्शजाः संस्पर्शा जायन्ते इति संस्पर्शजाः ते दुःखयोनयः दुःखारम्भकाः एव. Every Vishayananda is really speaking is potential dukkam. Ataha nivartayet. Itascha nivartayet. The Vashikara, just one line, Sangati. Itascha nivartayet. Because every Vishayanandaha dukkha hetuhu eva. Ataha indriyani vishayebhyaha upasamharaniyani. So therefore, Bhagavan says, Ye Kaunteya, ye hi samsparshajaha bhogaha vartante te dukkha yonayaha eva. Adyantavantaha te. Ataha buddhaha na teshu ramate. He is because yasmat te ye bhogaha santi. यस्मात् कारणात् अपि विषयेभ्यः इन्द्रियविषयेभ्यः निवर्तयेत्। तस्मात् कारणात् ते ये भोगाः इत्युक्ते भोगाः इन्द्रियार्थ सन्निकर्षजन्याः विषयानुभवाः विषयसुखाः संस्पर्शजाः विषयैः सह इन्द्रियाणां योगात् उत्पन्नाः भोगाः। That ananda which that is born due to the contact of the sense organs, the sense objects. Indriyani indriyarthaihi. Indriyanam अथवा इन्द्रियाणाम् इन्द्रिय विषयेभ्यः इन्द्रिय विषयैः संयोगात् विषयैः सह इन्द्रियाणां संयोगात् ये भोगाः उत्पन्नाः ते दुःखयोनयः एव। दुःखयोनयः इति भविष्यति दुःखस्वरूपाः एव भवन्ति। It will be the cause of dukkam. Not only that, arjane dukkam, to earn that it is dukkam, lot of effort is required, prayatna. Therefore vishayanam arjane api mahat dukkam asti. Vishayanam arjane api. So, and bhogakale api, even when you are experiencing bhogakale api, they are getting slowly exalted. Kshiyante eva sukani. Bhogaha kshiyante eva. It will not be same. That is how the Vishayas are. Then finally, when the Vishayas are lost, then also dukkam. So arjane dukkam, then it has to be protected. So rakshane api dukkam, nashe api dukkam. Therefore, it is a source of dukkam. Ataha eva bhagavata uktam dukkha yonayaha iti. The bhoga, the Vishayas, they create bandhakatvam, without which after that we can't survive. That which was once upon a need, now it has become absolutely required, necessity. So therefore they are potential creators of dukkam. And moreover, adyantavantaha ityukte adyanta vichishtaha kshanabanguraha ityartaha. They are momentary, temporary. They are endowed with adyantavantaha, endowed with beginning and endowed with the end. Therefore they are kshanikaha kshanabanguraha eva. Ataha sarve sanyogaha, all sanyoga with the sense objects finally will result in viyoga. All association invariably finally terminate in disassociation. No sanyoga will remain forever. Sanyogaha viyogaha bhavanti. Therefore ekaunteya nateshu ramate buddhaha. Buddhaha ityukte viveki. Buddhaha vivekiraha purushaha etadrisheshu bhoga vishayeshu tadapi na sajjante na ramante. Buddhaha ityukte vivekavan purushaha. Bhashyakara in the Bhashyam it take Buddhaha has to be Atmagyani. Buddhaha iti padyasya Atmagyani iti Bhashyakaraha svikurvanti ataha nateshu ramate. Buddhaha na ramate. Atmavit purushaha bhogeshu vishayeshu na ramate. Therefore, this doesn't mean Buddhaha will not enjoy. He will enjoy Vishayananda if it comes, but he is not is not bound by Vishayananda. So Vishayananda is very objective about them. When it comes, it is fine. He knows very well that Vishayananda, but Vishayananda is also Atmanandasya Abhasaha eva, Pratibimbaha eva. But that Ananda, that Vishaya is, for which the source is Atma only. So, thinking that Ananda to be coming from Vishaya, therefore, an Ajnani develops a raga for it. That which is raga, that which towards which he has raga later, it turns into dvesha. So the Vishaya being what it is neither a source of happiness nor a source of dukkham. It is the person who has subjectivity towards that. He thinks that Vishaya to be the source of Ananda, but really speaking, that Ananda comes from Atma only. Atmanandasya avasaha eva Vishayanandaha. Therefore, Jnani knows this, therefore he doesn't become dukkhi even when the objects go away. Tadapi dukkhi na bhavati. Therefore, he remains with himself. Nateshu buddha ramate. In fact, Vishayas are like a medium to reflect Atmananda. Even when Vishayas goes away, Atmananda doesn't go away. For Jnani, Ananda doesn't go away because his Ananda is with Atma, is with himself. So even when Vishayas goes away, Jnani doesn't miss anything. Therefore, Jnani doesn't miss anything in life because he has discovered that which is the source of Ananda. So that's why Acharya here Bhagavan says, Nateshu Buddhaha Ramante. Whereas Ajnani, not knowing that, they go after the Vishaya, which are the cause of dukkha yonayaha. That which has got Adi and Anta, it means it is temporary. That cannot give Ananda forever. One day it is going to be a dukkha hetu. Therefore, sarve bhogaha dukkha hetavaha dukkha yonayaha eva. Ataha jnani teshu na ramate ekunteya. Hey Arjuna, he iti निश्चयेन निश्चयार्थैः अथवा यस्मात् कारणात् संस्पर्शात् जायन्ते इति संस्पर्शजाः इंद्रिय विषय संयोगात् जायन्ते. जनी प्रादुर्भावे धातु धातोः जनेर्डः सूत्रम् इस् देयर जनेर्डः तेन तपोर उपपद समासः जनेर्डः धातु जन धातु ड प्रत्यय post content is a, by that becomes jan become ja. So jani pradurbhave fourth conjugation. So samsparshaja jayante na jayate mriyate va kadachit. Same dhatu. One more dhatu jan is there in 10th conjugation. This dhatu in 4th conjugation jani pradurbhave. So samsparsha jayante bhogaha, that bhogas that vishaya sukhaha, that sukha abhasa, the semblance of sukha, not real sukha, semblance of sukha. Te referring to this vishaya bhogaha, te sarve anityaha eva. Anityaha dukkha yonayaha eva. Te dukkha yonaha dukkasya yonayaha dukkha yonayaha. Yoni ityukte utpatti sthanam hetuhu atava. Dukkhanam yonayaha dukkhanam hetavaha dukkha yonayaha. Ante adyantavantaha anityaha ityartaha. Adisya antascha adyantau. Adyanto yesham अस्ति इति अर्थे मधु प्रत्यय आद्यन्तवन्तः आद्यन्तवान् आद्यन्तवन्तौ आद्यन्तवन्तः ये भोगाः विषयभोगाः आद्यन्तवन्तः अतः ये कौन्तेय तेषु बुधः तत्त्वज्ञः विद्वान् ज्ञानी वैस् पर्सन् तेषु विषयभोगेषु विषयसुखेषु न रमते न रमते do not revel in the Vishaya Sukha. So therefore, by saying Bhagavan here, yeah, Ajnani should emulate a Jnani. As Swamiji also says, fake it and make it. But in general, what we see is survey, in general, all the people. Dukha praptaye pravrittiki, dukkha nivrittahe nivritti. They all, the pravritti, the entire pravritti depends on, or it is after sukha prapti. So, सर्वे प्राणिनां सर्वेषां प्राणिनां प्रवृत्तिः सुखप्राप्तये दुःखनिवृत्तये च अज्ञानेन चिन्तयति इति सुखं भाग्यादि भाग्यविषयेषु शब्दादिषु शब्दस्पर्श रूपरस गन्ध गन्धेभ्यः लभन्ते इति अज्ञानिनः मन्यन्ते अतः भगवान् उपदिशति ये विषयाः भोगाः सुखप्रदाः इव प्रतीयन्ते ते दुःखरूपाः एव दुःखयोनयः एव तो संस्पर्शजाः भोगाः दुःखयोनयः एव contact of the sense objects with sense organs with the sense objects. Sense organs tvak chakshuh shrotram rasana granam iti pancha jnanendriyani. Pancha jnanendriyani swasva vishayaihi sah shabda sparsha rupa rasa gandhaihi sah yada gandhaihi sah sambandhani bhavanti yada tada तः जायते आनन्दः जायते सः संस्पर्शजाः भोगाः इति उक्तम् यथा शीतकाले उष्णजलस्पर्शः क्षुधाकाले मधुरभोजनं दुःख सुखप्रदाः भवन्ति शीतकाले उष्णजलस्पर्शः सुखप्रदः भवति क्षुधाकाले भोजनं मधुरभोजनं सुखप्रदः अतः विषयजन्य सुखं ते विषयभोगाः दुःखमूलकत्वम् वै दुःखमूलकत्वम् बिकास् विषयाणां प्राप्तये मनुष्यैः अतीव कष्टं सोढव्यम् अर्जने दुःखं रक्षणे अपि दुःखमेव महती चिंता भयं च वर्तते रक्षणे विषयाणां रक्षणे महती दुःखं नाशे अपि दुःखं यदा विषयाः नश्यन्ति बहु विषयाः नश्यन्ति तदा तीव्रं दुःखं जायते अतः उक्तम् even in Patanjali Yoga Sutra Patanjali Maharishi says Parinama tapa samskara dukkaihi gunavritti virodhacha dukkameva sarvam vivekiraha iti. Everything is dukkam, dukkha yonayaha eva. It is not a negative or a discouraging statement. It is a fact. It takes time to understand. So therefore, dukkha yonayaha. And adyantavantaha iti, the reason also is said, bhoganam kshanabhanguratvam asti. Adyantavantaha, adihi utpattihi, antaha vinashaha. So, ityukte prarambhaha asti vishayanam, vishayabhoganam prarambhaha. Sanyogaha asti. Sanyogakale प्रारम्भः वियोगकाले विनाशः पूर्वं नासीत् पश्चात् पूर्वं नासीत् इदानीम् अस्ति पश्चात् न भविष्यति वर्तमाने तर्हि वर्तते वा क्षणभङ्गुराणि एव क्षणिकाः एव भोगविषयाः अतः बुधः किं करोति न तेषु बुधः जानाति आत्मा नित्यः तदन्यत् सर्वम् अनित्यं तदन्यत् सर्वं दुःखहेतुत्वम् इति बुधः ज्ञानी जानाति अनात्मपदार्थाः अनित्याः आत्मा एव नित्याः इति ज्ञानी बुधः जानाति भाष्यकार will say मृग तृष्णिकावत् मिथ्या इति मत्वा न तेषु रमते बुधः it is like the mirage water therefore बुधः न रमते बुधः तु अक्षय सुखम अश्नुते ब्रह्मयोग युक्तात्मा सन् अक्षय सुखम अश्नुते न तो संस्पर्शजात जायमानं सुखम किमर्थं वै बिकॉज दे आर दुःखयोनयः आद्यन्तवन्तः अतः इति then bhashya the last class we have seen Gita Priyabodhini also for the previous shloka. So the previous shloka is done. Now this shloka we will read Bhashyam and after Bhashyam we can read Gita Priyabodhini. Let us read the first line. Yehi yasmat samsparshajaha
संस्पर्शजाः
विषयेन्द्रिय संस्पर्शेभ्यः जाताः
विषयेन्द्रिय संस्पर्शेभ्यः जाताः
भोगाः भुक्तयः दुःखयोनयः एव ते
दुःखयोनयः एव ते
अविद्याकृतत्वात्
अविद्याकृतत्वात्
हि यस्मात् ये भोगाः वर्तन्ते ते भोगाः भुक्तयः भोगाः सन्ति ते संस्पर्शजाः इंद्रिय विषययोः सम्बन्धात् उत्पद्यन्ते एतेषां भोगानां मूलं किम् अज्ञानमेव अविद्या एव अतः अविद्यया यत् सुखं लभते तत् वास्तविकं सुखं न भवति अतः भोगाः सुखस्वरूपाः न भवन्ति दुःखयोनयः एव दुःखस्य कारणानि एव सन्ति इति भाष्यकार says here this line ये referring to ये भोगाः यः ये यत् शब्द हि यस्मात् कारणात् निश्चयेन अर्थे अपि हि प्रयुज्यते here is यस्मात् भाष्यकार gives यस्मात् because of this reason यस्मात् कारणात् यस्मात् हेतोः यस्मात् संस्पर्शजाः विषयेन्द्रिय संस्पर्शेभ्यः जाताः इत्युक्ते विषयेन्द्रिय विषय इंद्रिय विषय भाग्य शब्दादि विषयानां इंद्रिय श्रोत्रादि इंद्रियाणां च संस्पर्श परस्पर संबंधात् तेभ्यः जाताः उत्पन्नाः बॉन्ड संस्पर्शजाः मीनिंग विषयेन्द्रिय संस्पर्शेभ्यः मीनिंग contact from the contact between the Vishaya and Indriyas are born. What are born? These bhogaha, the enjoyments Jataha are born, Sansparshajaha, and they are dukkha yonayaha, cause for suffering, dukkha yonayaha, bhogaha bhuktayaha, bhuktihi bhukti, bhuktayaha, bhujidatu tin pratyaya, Srilinge, therefore bhukti iti Srilinga Shabda, Striyam tin, bhogaha bhujidatu, bhave ghai pratyaya, therefore we get bhogaha. Equivalent word, Bhashyakara gives bhuktayaha iti. Dukkha yonayaha, source of suffering, dukkasya karanani, mulani. Mulani eva. Eva iti avadharanartha nischayena. That is why he is not nischayena yasmat. Because evakara is there. Evakara is avadharanarthe. Nischayena. Nischayena te referring to this bhogaha, this experience, this anubhavaha, indriya janya, bhogaha, te, indeed, eva, that bhogas. Why? Because avidya kritatvat. Because they are caused by, they are produced by avidya. So avidya is the hetu. And the cause for, therefore they are the cause for dukkha. Dukkha is the hetu mat. So avidya is the cause for dukkham. Avidya is the cause for, because avidya kritatvat, dukkham caused by dukkha yonayaha. So the experience of dukkham, the cause of dukkham is this avidya. Because of avidya, thinking that sukham is obtained from the Vishaya, therefore people are after Vishaya sukham. But they are dukkha only. They realize it later. So Vishaya, therefore, avidya is a hetu. And hetumat is dukkha. Avidya kritatvat. Ajnana janyatvat ityartaha. Avidya kritam is ajnana janya. Ajnana janyatvat. Na vidya iti avidya. Avidya kritam, avidya kritam. अविद्या कृतस्य भावः अविद्या कृतत्वं तस्मात् अविद्या कृतत्वात् अज्ञान जन्यत्वात् born due to avidya. So therefore avidya kritatvat. So therefore Vishaya bhogas, they themselves in fact are not cause for the dukkha. Vishaya bhoga, this Vishaya bhoga, thinking that Vishaya bhogas are the source of ananda itself is a wrong conception. Ananda is Ananda which is obtained from Vishaya. It, it is not really obtained from Vishaya. It seems to be obtained from Vishaya. This Ananda, therefore, the sense pleasures, this Ananda, Vishayananda, even the word Vishayananda also, Natu Vishayasya Ananda, it is Vishaya Pratibimba Ananda. Vishaya being what it is. We are Jada Padarthaha Vishayaha. How can it create dukkha? It is not a Chaitana Vastu to cause any dukkha. They are Jada Padarthaha. Therefore, blaming them is not correct. Because one thinks that happiness is coming from the objects. That is why avidya, kritatva, the word avidya is important. Vishya being what it is neither the cause of dukkham nor the cause of sukham. Because of avidya, because of wrong understanding, delusion, a person, an ajnani, connects with the Vishaya, connects happiness with the Vishaya, thinking that the Vishayas are the source of Sukham, but the real source of Sukham is Atma only. So Vishayas are not the source of Sukham. That is, Atma is the source of Sukham, really speaking. And Vishayas are not the source of Dukkham also. So when it is not the source of Sukham, how can be source of Dukkham also? So it's neither. That way Acharya he says avidya kritatvat. Because of avidya. Avidya is in the Vishaya or is in the person. It is in the person, not in the Vishaya. Therefore, it is avidya kritatvat vishayaha dukkha yonayaha evate. That vishayas which were once a source of happiness, it becomes the source of dukkham. Vishaya being what it is avidya kritam. Seeing that, thinking that happiness is coming from the vishayas. That is avidya krita. Therefore, the person connects happiness with the objects. This is one thing, one wrong thing. And thinking that Vishayas are the source of happiness. The second thing, these both conclusions or wrong conclusions. So therefore, the there is a mixture of this Atma and Anatma. Atma, which is a source of Sukham, and Vishaya being what it is. When these two Atma and Anatma are mixed up, then the Vishaya seems to be the source of the Sukham. Therefore, that's why it is said that Sukham, which is obtained from Vishaya, is nothing but it is a Sukham of Atma only. It is derived from Atma only. Vishaya itself cannot be the generator of Sukham or Dukkham. That is why Avidya Kritatvad. I am the cause of happiness. I am the cause of happiness. I am never the cause of Dukkham because Atma is ever Ananda Swarupaha. It can never be the cause of the Dukkham. That is why a person can give up anything but cannot give up Atma. Because Atma is loved unconditionally. Because that which is loved unconditionally must be the source of happiness. But the problem is that happiness, the source of happiness, is superimposed upon the Vishaya and thinking that Vishayas are the source of happiness. And they go after the Vishaya, finally discovering that happiness is not there and blaming the Vishayas for the source of Dukkham. As a source of Dukkham. That is the problem. So because of these wrong conclusions, the Vishayas become the cause for sorrow. Therefore, and of course the objects also changes. It is not going to be the same because it is anatma, jada padartha. Therefore, object changes and the happiness associated with the objects also changes. Once that object which he thought producing sukha, now it's producing dukkha, therefore it becomes dukkhi. So therefore it says this bhogas become potential dukkhas. So second level is understanding that the Vishayas are neither source of Sukham or Dukkham, it is avidya. The fact is because of avidya, it is the Sukham is superimposed on the Vishayas. But the higher fact is I am the source of this Ananda. Objects are not cause for this dukkha because objects are like a mirror reflecting my Ananda, Atmananda. So therefore, as long as there is raga for the Vishaya, so long I derive happiness, which is not really in the objects, which is myself. That Ananda I enjoy. So therefore, avidya kritatvat. Vishayas are the cause of Sukham is avidya kritam. Vishayas are the cause of Dukkham is also avidya kritam. So therefore, Bhashyakara adds avidya kritatva. Therefore, we cannot blame the objects they being what it is. It is because of the contact. Contact is born due to raga, due to love for it, raga for it, or contact, engagement, or disengagement. That is also due to dvesha. So raga is there, and another flip side of raga is dvesha. So when you come into contact with the raga, with the vishayas over which you have raga, then there is ananda. Coming into contact with the vishayas which you don't like, dvesha, then there is dukkha. So therefore, the object being what it is, the raga dvesha which what you have, that is the cause of sukham and dukkam. But the same object which was once upon a time cause of sukham can become the cause of dukkam also. That also we experience in the world. Therefore, how can we blame the Vishayas being what it is? Therefore, it is avidya kritam, avidya kritatvat dukkha yonayaha ityevate iti. That point, Bhashakara makes it significant point. It is avidya kritam. And next he says, drishyante hi
दृश्यन्ते हि
आध्यात्मिकादीनि दुःखानि
आध्यात्मिकादीनि दुःखानि
तस्मिन् निमित्तानि एव
तन्निमित्तानि
तानि एव
तस्मिन् निमित्तानि एव यन्सन्ति.
तस्मिन् और तन् जी
Sorry, तन्निमित्तानि. Okay, तन्नम I read it like that. Okay, तन्निमित्तानि एव.
तन्निमित्तानि एव
तन्निमित्तानि. तन्निमित्तानि is भोगनिमित्तानि. भोगजनितानि. So त्रीणि दुःखानि लोके दृश्यन्ते प्रसिद्धानि दुःखानि तानि कानि आध्यात्मिकादीनि. भाष्यकार just says आध्यात्मिकादीनि. आदीनि बहुवचनम. Not only आध्यात्मिक दुःखम, आध्यात्मिकादीनि. And we say आध्यात्मिकादीनि दुःखानि suffering coming from adhyatmika, that is from oneself, etc. etc. means adhyatmikam, adhibhautikam, adhidevikam. Adhyatmikam from oneself, shariraka, manasika, vyadeha, etc. They are the cause for dukkani. Then adhibhautikam and anya pranibhihi jayamanam dukkam. Adhibhautika, bhuta, which are around from them, even from human beings around. The dukkha which is we experience caused by them, by action or by attitude. Then Adi Devikam is, that is Devika, Adi Devikam Devebhyaha or Devehi Jatam Dukkam. That is natural cause, that is the power, the sources like blood, famine, etc. They are also the producers of Dukkam, Adi Devikam, over which we don't have any control. So Etani, Trini, Dukkani, Bhoga Mulaka, Dukkani eva. Therefore, Bhoga Mulakani Etani Dukkani eva. So Tan Nimittani eva. Tan Nimittani Drishyante Loki Adhyatmika Dini Tan Nimittani. Tan Nimittani is Tat Tesham Indriya Vishya Sanyoganam Nimittataha eva Jatani iti Tan Nimittani. Tani Nimittani. Esham Tani Tannimittani. It is a compounduri samasa. Tani referring to that, Tan referring to the Tat referring to that Bhoga. So Bhogas, enjoyments are the nimittas, that the karanam for the enjoyments are the cause for dukkha. So sufferings are caused by these bhogas, bhoga vishayas. Tannimittani. The compound that is Tat referring to this Bhoga. So Tani Nimittani, Bhogaha Nimittaha bhavanti yesham tani tannimittani, because it qualifies dukkani, therefore tannimittani. Or tesham nimittani tannimittani also we can say. So adhyatmikadini dukkani, the dukkas which are coming from adhyatmika, from oneself, or adi devika, or adi bhautika. Adhyatmika dukkhas are born from oneself, because from shariram or manovyadi, adi, that is adhyatmika, adi vyadi. Either it comes from the shariram or comes from the mind. Two types of dukkha. Adi vyadi hara anjaneya, that is the Nanganala Anjaneya is called Adi Vyadi Hara Anjaneya, one who destroys both the Vyadi, two types of Vyadi, the Vyadi, the disease of the body as well as of the mind. So these Adhyatmika Dukkhas are born of the Shariram, Sharire Vyaha Atava Manasaha, Ye Dukkaha, Yani Dukkani Jayante, Tani Adhyatmika Dukkani, Tadvata Adi Bhautikani, Adi Devikani, Dukkani Api, Tani Tannimittani, that referring to the Bhogaha. So Bhoga, the enjoyments of the Vishayas are the cause for those suffering. Tannimittani eva Vishayani. Drishyante, loke drishyante, asmabhihi loke drishyante, abhabhuyante, sakshat anubhuyante. Therefore drishyante iti. The dukkha's are obtained from three different sources. That is our anubhava in the world, which we see. Then, yatha ihaloke,
यथा
यथा इह लोके
tata paraloke apiti,
तथा
तथा
परलोके
परलोके
अपि इति
इति
gamyate,
गम्यते
eva shabdat.
एव
एव
शब्दात्
Eva shabda is yatha, eva shabda. From the word eva shabdat. Eva shabda itself is a compound. Eva shabdat. Eva shabda eva iti shabdaha eva shabdaha tasmat eva shabdat. Eva iti pada prayogat. Eva iti avadharanarte eva shabdaha. So avadharana samarthyat eva shabda is used. Therefore Bhashikara says eva shabdat. From the word eva, it is understood what yatha ihaloke tata paraloke api. Just the enjoyments of this world cause dukkham. Same thing you can extend to the other loka also. Yatha ihaloke sansparshajaha bhogaha dukkha yonayaha eva तथा परलोके अपि इति गम्यते अवगम्यते इह लोके अस्मिन् लोके मर्त्यलोके भूलोके संस्पर्शजाः भोगाः दुःखयोनयः. The bhoga, the enjoyments caused due to the vishayas or the cause for suffering. The same thing can be extended to other loka. Iha loka, iha cha aso lokaha, iha lokaha. Tasmin iha loke, tasmin iti iha loke, paraloke. परश्चासो लोकः परलोकः स्वर्गादि लोके तत्रापि यथा इह तथा अमुत्रापि. What एव शब्दात् यथा इह लोके तथा अमुत्र लोके अपि संस्पर्शजाः भोगाः दुःखयोनयः एव गम्यते अवगम्यते ज्ञायते इति अर्थः. We can extend, apply our buddhi and think logically. परीक्ष लोकान् कर्मचितान् ब्राह्मणः लोकान् परीक्ष्य, having examined the lokas. Chine punye, having gone to that loka, Sargaloka. Chine punye martyaloka mishanti. As long as punyam is there, bhogahas are available. You can purchase. Once it is exhausted, punya is gone. That is the capital with what you entered the Sargaloka is now spent. Chine punye martyalokam mishanti. So therefore, you will lose the upadhi, special upadhi which he had gained in the Sargaloka, that will go away. Then again you have to come, like the visa is expired, now you have to return back. Therefore, iti amyate. So therefore, it is not only of this loka, other loka. Therefore, eva shabda is that the Bhashakara says. Then, na samsare
न
न
संस्
संसारे
sukasya gandhamatramapi asti iti
सुखस्य
सुखस्य
यस्य
गन्धमात्रम्
गन्धमात्रमपि अस्ति इति
अस्ति इति
बुद्ध्वा
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 विषय मृगतृष्णिकायाः
विषय
विषयमृगतृष्णिकायाः
मृगतृष्णिकायाः
इन्द्रियाणि निवर्तयेत्
इन्द्रियाणि
इन्द्रियाणि
निवर्तयेत्
निवर्तयेत्
गन्धमात्रमपि सुखलेशः नास्ति अस्मिन् लोके संसारे. When it is not there, but still there is love for Vishayas, then the Shastra, you will see the example, this Mrigatrishnika. 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 Dure jalam drishtva. Dure jalam drishtva. Jalam iti matva. समीपं गत्वा एव ज्ञातुं शक्यते तत्तु न जलं सूर्यकिरणेषु जलम् इव दृश्यते मरुभूमौ तत्तु तत्र तु जलं नास्ति. Therefore, a thirsty person going near finds himself frustrated, gets cheated, not cheated because he thought it is his ajnanam. So Viveki Purushaha, what he will do? Indriyani Vishayebhyaha Sarvata Nivartayanti. Therefore, here Vashakara says, Samsare Asmin Loke Samsare. Why it is called Samsara? Because Janma, Marana, Chakram Atra Eva Sambhavati. Therefore, Samsare, Samyak Saranti, Asmin Loke Iti Samsare. Jivaha Samsaranti. Therefore, Samsare. So, Jivas are born here. They are born and they die. Therefore, because they are born and they exhaust their karmapala and earn also. Therefore, asmin jagati samsare. Therefore, here samsare sukasya gandhamatramapi ishadapi. Even a lesha, a little of sukham, it's also not there. Gandhamatram matrash prataya. Mayura vimstakari samasa. Gandhaha eva. Gandhamatraha. Kevalaha gandhaha iti gandhamatram. So matrach, not evakara, gandha, that is kevalaha gandhaha, even a little of gandhaha, ishadapi, lesha matramapi, sparsha matramapi, sukham nasti, sukham is not there. Na, you have to connect to asti nasti, iti buddhva. Samsare sukhasya gandhamatramapi nasti, iti buddhva, iti jnatva, iti parikshalokan, pariksha, therefore very clearly understood buddhva, jnatva, nischitya. Then Vishaya Mriga Trishnika. It is Panchami Vibhakti. Because why Panchami? Because Nivartayet is that Indriyani Tebhyaha Nivartayet. Tebhyaha Kebhyaha Bhoga Vishayebhyaha. Because Bhoga Vishayas are like Vishaya Mriga Trishnika. Vishayaha Eva Mriga Trishnikaha. Iti Vishayaha Mriga Trishnikaha Iva. Can take it, not Eva, Iva. Vishayas like Mriga Trishnika, that mirage water. Therefore, Indriyani, Chakshuradi, Indriyani, Jnanendriyani, as well as Karmendriyani, api, Nivartayet, Paravartayet, withdraw. The person must withdraw. An intelligent person, that's why Buddha. Buddha means that once a person knows, he becomes a Buddha, a knowledgeable person, having known, therefore Indriyani, that a discerning person should withdraw the sense organs. from the mirage of objects. Objects are like the mirage water. So mirage, by saying Mriga Trishnika, it means they are mithya. They appear to be having sukham, but they do not have sukha. So therefore, all jivas we find in the world going after sense objects, thinking that they have happiness, thinking that they derive happiness from the sense objects. But once it is known it is a mirage, it is mithya, then the person viveki will not go after it. Therefore, iti buddhva, that buddha word is important. One has to understand that sukham is not there. In spite of knowing people go, then what to talk about that? In spite of knowing that really there is no sukham in the Vishaya, still people are after it. That's why Ajnanam is abysmal. Abysmal Ajnanam. Therefore, Ajnani will not do the Nivartanam of the Indriya from the Indriya Vishaya. Whereas, being a Jnani, a person being informed person, therefore Bhagavan, here Acharya advises a person must withdraw his sense organs because Indriyani Paranchikani Vitanat Swayambhu Parang Pashyati Nantaratman. So if you want to know the source of real happiness, therefore withdraw the sense organs from the Vishaya. As long as the sense organs are extrovert, this Atma Sukham, the knowledge of Atma Sukham is ruled out. Therefore, Indriyani Nivartayet. Therefore, Damaha. So, Damaha, Shamaha and Damaha. Then Bhashikara says further, Na kevalam dukkha yonayaha eva.
न केवलं दुःखयोनय एव
Adyavantascha.
आद्यन्तश्च
Adihi Vishayendriya Sanyogaha.
आदि विषेन्द्रियसंयोगो
Bhoganamantascha.
भोगानाम् अन्तश्च
Tad Viyogaha eva.
तद्योगः एव
Ataha
अतः
Adyantavantaha
आद्यन्तवन्तः
Anityaha
अनित्याः
Madhya Kshana Bhavitvat Ityartaha.
मध्यक्षणभावित्वादित्यर्थः
Vishayaha Vishayabhogaha Adyantavantaha Anityaha Bhoganam Adihi Arambaha Prarambaha Kada Vishayendriya Sanyoge Bhavati Adihi Antascha Tadviyoge Vinashaha Antaha Madhye Kim Madhye Eva Pratiyante Madhya Kale Tattu Alpakale Eva Madhye Pratiyante. In between only it is there. Therefore we can say it is Anityaha. Therefore it is not there. Before not there, after not there, in between seems to be there. Therefore Vashikara here says, Na kevalam dukkha yonayaha eva. Not only ete bhogaha dukkhasya karanani bhavanti kintu adyantavantascha adi anta yuktaha kanikatvat adyantaha adischa antascha adyanto yesham iti matuparta adyantavantaha adihi is prarambha utpattihi. That is Vishayendriya Sanyogaha, the contact of the sense organs with the Vishaya, that is the Adihi, the beginning. Vishayanam Indriyanam cha, that Sanyoga Paraspara Melanam eva Adihi. Bhoganam Antascha, Bhoganam Antaha is in Vinashaha, Samaptihi is Viyogaha. So Sanyogaha, Bhoganam Sanyogaha Adihi, Bhoganam Viyogaha, that is Ante at the end, which is Viyogaha. Tadviyogaha tesham Vishendriyanam Viyogaha, separating, disassociating. Associating and disassociating. Disassociating. engagement, disengagement. So viyogaha. So adyantavantaha, yogaha, viyogaha. So therefore, Vishayendriya viyogaha. Separation of the sense organ with the from the sense object. Or separation of the sense organ from the sense object. Contact of the sense organ with the sense object and separation of the sense organ with the sense object. So samsparsha bhoga is born from contact of the sense organ with sense object, and that viyogaha, separation, it is natural because its sense organ cannot have contact with sense objects forever. Why? Because Vishayas themselves are anitya. They are come and go. Adyantavantaha. Even if your indriyas are so powerful, let us say Bhagavan has given indriyas that capacity, that capability to enjoy sense Vishayas for long. But since Vishayas they are Adyantavantaha, they have limitation. They do not exist forever. They exist only in the beginning. They were not before, they will not be after. They exist only in the middle moment. Madhya Kshanika Bhavitvat. Therefore, Anityaha eva Madhya Kshanika Bhavitvat. Madhya Kshana is Madhya Kali eva. Madhya Kshana eva Bhavitum Shilamasya. Madhya Kshana Bhavi. So Madhya Kshana Bhavitvat. Madhya Kshana Bhavinaha Bhavaha. So Madhya Kshana Bhavi is Madhya Kshana Bhavitvat. Panchami. Pratipadikam is Madhyakshana Bhavitvam, Bhavitva. Madhyakshana Bhavitva, Panchami of that is Madhyakshana Bhavitvat. How we get Madhyakshana Bhavitva? Tasya Bhava Tatalo, that Madhyakshana Bhavitva. Tvapratyaya is Tadita Pratyaya, added to Pratipadikam. That must be Madhyakshana Bhavi. Madhyakshana Bhavi, how do you get? Madhyakshane Bhavitum Shilam Asya Asti iti. So the Buddha to Nini Pratyaya, Tachilyate Nini Pratyaya. Madhyakshana Bhavin, Madhyakshana Bhavi, Madhyakshana Bhavino, Madhyakshana Bhavinaha. So Madhyakshana Bhavinaha, Shashti Bhakti, Tasya Bhavaha, Madhyakshana Bhavitvam, Tasmad, Madhyakshana Bhavitva. Because of having the status of being existing only Madhya, in the middle. Middle means Adihi, before not there, and after also not there. Before its birth, before its janma, before it has come, its arrival. Before its arrival, when we say it is not that, after it is not that, so in between. So therefore, they cannot give permanent happiness. Anityaha eva iti. Therefore, last line. Kaunteya
Kaunteya
na teshu bhogeshu ramate buddha viveki.
न तेषु भोगेषु रमते बुधः विवेकी
Viveki
Avagata paramartha tattvaha
अवगत परमार्थतत्त्वः
atyanta मूढानामेव हि
अत्यन्तमूढानामेव हि
विषयेषु रतिः दृश्यते
विषयेषु रतिः दृश्यते
यथा पशुप्रभृतीनाम्.
यथा पशुप्रभृतीनाम्.
Acharya uses strong word. Ekaunteya. Teshu bhogeshu buddha, that is viveki, and another compound, beautiful compound. Avagata paramartha tattvaha. Tattvam is apumsakalinga, but here it is pullinga. So avagatam paramartha tattvam yena saha avagata paramartha tattvaha. The Nishta Pratyaya is in the beginning, therefore it has to be Bhagavadgita. And Paramartha is Paramascha Asavartaha, that is within that also we have Karmadarya Samasa. Paramarthasya Tattvam, Paramartha Tattvam. So Avagatam Paramartha Tattvam, Yena Saha Avagata Paramartha Tattvaha, the one who has understood or who has vision of Paramartha Tattvam, who has understood the Paramartha Tattva. Paramartha Tattva is Brahma Eva Satyam, Brahma Satyam, Jagan Mithya, Jiva Brahma Eva Naparaha. The Tattvam, Brahma. Therefore, Atma is Brahma, which is Satyam Jnanam Anantam iti. So Parama Tattvaha Yaha, that Viveki Jhanati, therefore Teshu na Ramate, Vishayeshu na Ramate. Kintu Atyanta Mudanam eva, Atyanta Mudaha, Atyanta Mudaha, those Parama Ajnani, absolutely they are Mudaha, deluded. Atyanta Mudaha. In contrast to Avagata Paramata Tattva, Atyanta Mudaha, Atmanatma Aviveki. Atmanatma Aviveki, therefore Atyanta Mudaha. Te Vishayeshu Bhogeshu Ratihi Drishyate. For them, Mudanam Vishayeshu Ratihi Drishyate. Ratihi is Ramanam. Same Ramdata. Ramate, ya Ratihi Kin Prataya. Ratihi Vishayeshu Ratihi. Attachment for the Vishayas is seen in the extremely deluded. Atyanta is extremely deluded people, like it is seen in Pashu Prabhrutinam, Pashavaha Prabhrutayaha Adayaha Yesham Te Pashu Prabhrutayaha, as it is seen in Pashu, the animals, they have got only 5 senses. So they don't have that Viveka Buddhi. They have got limited, inhibited that the Buddhi faculty. Therefore, Pashu Prabhrti, like the animals. Therefore, Pashu Prabhrti, यथा Pashu Prabhrti Vishayeshu Ramanam Asti, Tata Atyanta Modanam Api Vishayeshu Ratihi. Animals, they are programmed, therefore, they revel in the sense objects. So, in the same way, similarly, this Modaha, it means they are not different from the animals. Therefore, this Modaha also, like the animals, they think that the Ananda is obtained from Vishaya. So, therefore, Ratihi Tesham Ramanam Asti Vishayeshu Drishyate. That is Drishyate in the Loka. It means they don't have the understanding that objects are being what it is. Objects being what it is. Like Buddha understand that objects, they don't consider the objects to be the source of happiness. Like a Buddha, unlike a Buddha, this Atyanta Mudaha Pashu Pravritti Namiva, they consider object to be the source of happiness. Therefore, Teshu Ratihi. Teshu Ratihi. Tesham Atyanta Mudanam Teshu Vishayeshu Ratihi Drishyate Loke. It is seen in the world that they revel in the sense objects, sense Vishayas. Iti. Gita Priya Bodhini, we will see in the next class. Om Purnamadah Purnamidham Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om. Dhanyavadah.
धन्यवादः जी।
धन्यवाद।
धन्यवाद जी।
धन्यवाद.